Hello friends, welcome back. We are going to learn some JavaScript today. It's long since I taught JavaScript, and today we are going to understand the JavaScript array methods, and it's going to be very easy and simple for you. We'll go one step at a time, one method at a time. I'll explain you clearly and I'll also show you the results. Well, let's take I, which is assigned with 1 2 3 4 5 6, and when I use at 1, at in the bracket 1, what will happen? It will take 0 1. This 2 should be printed. So the at method is useful to retrieve the content in that particular position. Now when I say 1, it will retrieve the content from 2. I mean 2 will be printed. So can we see if it is working fine? We will see. So I have written a simple HTML script here from which we are calling our JavaScript. This is the simplest way that we can do, right? So I follow the same method. Now this one will retrieve this 2 out of this array and we will see if it is working fine. I am going to do a retrieval now. Now we can see that the array 1 2 3 4 5 6 at second index is 2. So it is done. Now what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a push. I have got an array here ARR with 1 2 3 4 5 6 as the content and I am pushing 7 into it. ARR dot push. I push 7 into it and I am printing now after the push what is going to happen. So it is assigned to k, so I print k here. I need to see what exactly is the output here. I expect the array to have grown by 1, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 7 should have come there. Let's see if it has happened. So you can see that here after a push 7 goes inside. So the array should have grown now and 7 goes inside. Now after a pop, I'm going to do a pop now. What do you mean by pop? I'll take the topmost element out. So what is the topmost element here? The topmost element here that we have in hand is 7 because 7 is the one that I pushed. Now after the pop, the 7 should come out. So the 7 is popped out. So how did I use it? ARR dot pop. ARR dot push, this particular element will be pushed inside the array. ARR dot pop will pop it out of the array. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use fill. What is fill? Before I go into fill, I have an array here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and I want to fill it with 1. What do you mean by that? It is going to be completely replaced. All these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be completely replaced by 1. We are filling this array with 1. So I'm printing it after this particular line and we will see if it is executed the same way. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is the output. So we are right. Now what next? I'm going to use something called as join method. Now I'm going to join all these together with a hyphen. So join hyphen is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be joined together and it is assigned to n. So I print n here. Now we will see how exactly it works. Can we join 1 hyphen 2 hyphen 3 hyphen 4 hyphen 5 hyphen 6? So it is joined perfectly. Now what next? We are going to go with the next method where I'm going to teach you shift. So I have got the array already available with me and array is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as I told you and I am using shift. The shift will go ahead with shifting one at a time to the left. So I'll move one out of it to the left. So we will see how exactly it has worked. Shifting to the left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 is thrown out. That's how it has worked. Now what next? So reverse. I have got an array with p 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and I am going to reverse it. So how do I reverse it? I can use method reverse without specifying anything itself will work. So reverse of will get you this complete content reversed. So you can see that here 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's reversed. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do an unshift. I have already got an array by the name ARR where I have shifted. You can see that where is that shift? The shifting has happened and 1 is thrown out of it. Now I'm going to include that 1. So how do we do that? You can do that by unshifting. Unshift of 1 will get you this particular content into the same array. That's all. Now we will see if it has worked as we wanted. Can we unshift? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is properly here and this one has come in into the picture right now. So one final method that we need to understand is includes. How do we check it? Very simple. We are going to check if the array whatever we have has got 1 included. So when we check it, we will get a result as true or false. Can we check? Yes, 1 is in the array, so it is true. That's all. These are all the most common methods that we use with respect to array operations in the JavaScript. I started with at, push, pop, fill, join, shift, reverse, unshift, includes. All these are the methods that I have taught you quickly. I hope you liked it, and it is very simple. Try it out. In case you have any questions, I'll be very happy to answer you. Thank you very much for following my channel content. If you like the channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you.